Alright, let's talk about the Titachef Cutting Board because honestly, there's a lot of chatter around it and it's time to see if it's all just hype or if there's any real substance. So, Titachef claims this board is pretty amazing. They say it's made from 100% medical grade titanium, which sounds super fancy, right? They also say it'll keep your knives sharp and that it's all kinds of good stuff like antibacterial, odor resistant, stain proof, rust proof, and even microelastic repellent. Plus, they advertise it as dishwasher, safe, and gentle on your knives, and it comes in 4 different sizes. But here's where we need to pump the brakes and look at what's really going on. That whole titanium and knife sharpening thing, yeah, that's not what experienced chefs and folks on Reddit are saying. Most people in the know will tell you that metal cutting boards, especially titanium ones, are actually terrible for your knives and will dull them super fast. It'll dull your blade faster than anything. Even high-end chefs avoid metal boards for that reason. That's a pretty clear warning. Then there's the whole shady marketing vibe. If you look at their website, it's packed with 5-star reviews. And get this, the founder they mention, Amazon Carter, seems to be totally made up. There's no public record or credentials for anyone by that name. Fake founders and exaggerated credentials are common tricks used to make a product seem more trustworthy than it actually is. Now, let's talk about where this board actually comes from and how much it costs. Turns out, you can find the exact same board on Alibaba for about $2. And some of those versions are even labeled as stainless steel with just a titanium coating, not pure titanium. But Titachef, they're selling it for almost $60. That's a massive markup, like a 2,000% increase. This isn't some amazing, futuristic kitchen innovation. It's really just an overpriced product that's been drop-shipped from a cheap supplier. All those fancy words like antibacterial and odor resistant are just marketing tricks to get you to buy it. And the fake testimonials and the made-up founder, those are some serious red flags that you should definitely pay attention to. Be especially cautious if the site pushes urgency tactics like limited stock or countdown timers. Those are classic pressure sales tactics. Honestly, if you're looking for a good cutting board that's safe, won't ruin your knives, and will actually last, your best bet is to stick with good old wood or rubber boards. Don't let those shiny ads fool you. Always check user reviews from verified sources and research the product before spending a ton on something that could be a complete gimmick. Remember, if a deal sounds too good to be true or too fancy for its price, it probably is. Happy product using.